Hello traders, I want to show you what a typical trading morning is like for us traders and our subscribers here at TradeToTarget.com. And also the point of this is to show you guys how simple it is to take our foresight targets from our website and put them onto your own charts. So you guys will have an advantage to be able to trade to these targets and hold on to your winning positions longer. So first things first, I want to minimize this. Here is my charts. I use Sierra Charting, and you'll see that it is 7:15 roughly Mountain Standard Time. We are in Mountain Standard Time. Market opens at 9:30 Eastern, so right now it's currently about 9:15 Eastern Standard Time, and today is December 16th of 2010. So what I want to do is go to our website first and show you guys how to log on. Our website is www.tradetotarget.com. You guys already know that because you're here on our site watching this. As you'll see, there's quite a few options that you have, and we've added a new tool where you can actually talk to one of us or one of our advanced traders that are available. Looks like nobody's online right now, or else I'd test it. They're all probably currently trading, setting up their charts like I am. Give them about an hour and a half after market opens, and majority of them are done trading, and you'll be able to ask them some questions. So first things first, I'm going to go to the login page. You'll see I already have this filled out as remembrance, so I'm going to log in here. And once you're logged in, you'll show your account and your status also. So first things first, to get to the targets, you hit today's targets. It'll pop up this page. And for lack of confusion, or to avoid confusion I should say, we only show one day's targets. That way there's no confusion, there's no mess ups, and that way you make sure you're always putting the right targets on your charts. So first things first, I want to draw the bounce line. So today's bounce line is 1232.75. So I'm going to pull my charts back up. And what I like to do, it looks like we are at that area, is I like to draw in a vertical line at market open. That way I know when market's going to open and on which candle. And then what I do is, I believe it was 1232.75, so I'm going to draw in our line. This is our bounce line. I'll change the color and the width. So there's our bounce line. And the next target I want to do is the high target. If the market opens up above our bounce line, this is the direction I'm looking to go. So it is 1236.50, it looks like. So I'm going to go down here, draw in at 1236.50. I'm going to change the colors here also. So it looks like from here there's a good 1, 2, 3, 4, 3.5, 4 points of movement available if you play it right. So I'm going to look at our downside target, which is 1228.75. So 1228.75, find it right here. Draw it in. We'll make this one red too. And then all you do from now is, if the market opens below, looks like it's going to push down here on this pullback to open up below our bounce line. And then if the market opens up below, I'll put an order around this bounce line area as a sell, or vice versa. If it opens up here, I'll put a buy order above this bounce line for a long to trade at this target. But it looks like it may push down here a little bit below, and we'll see. Though, well, we'll just wait and see what happens. Well, the market's going to open up here any second. Looks like we're going to get a close here below the bounce line. So we're actually going to place a short order at the bounce line at 1232.75. So market opens. As soon as we hit a tick above that, we're filled, and we'll look to go down to this target right here. Our target's 1228.75, so I like to go exit out of the orders a couple ticks before that. So I'm actually going to exit out at 1228.25 on this trade. So let's just sit to see if our order gets filled, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, we're filled on this trade, and let's just wait to see what happens. I'll put it back here in just a few minutes. Well, it started pushing towards our favor a little bit, and we're getting a probe up through our bounce line. And what I have my stop placed at is 1234. So as soon as if we break 1234, I'm out of this trade, and most of our subscribers should be as well, based on our knowledge on where to place our stop losses. So looks like we could get a little bit of a probe here, but I still like this trade on the short side, so we will just see what happens. So we were saved by our stop. We're still in this trade. Like I said, it was just a probe. I'm still liking the short, so we're looking for a push down now to at least 1229. As soon as it hits 1229, I'm filled on my positions, and we're out of this trade for a good 3.5 point profit on that. So we're waiting for that to happen, and we'll be good. But we're halfway to target right now. If you guys have multiple contracts, this would be a good area to reserve some profit, move your stop up to minimize more risk. So I'm actually going to stay in this trade to the actual target. 1229 is where I've got to get to fill my positions. So that'll be a 3.5 point trade. For those of you that don't know anything about the E-mini futures, or it's new to you, on the S&P 500, each point of movement is 10% with the capital you have in the market. So if this was, if you had $1,000 in the market, 2 E-mini futures contracts, this trade, if we hit target, will be a $350 trade. If you were trading with one contract less, only one contract, it would be a $175 trade. So let's just wait to see if we hit target here, and if we do, it's a great trade. Just a couple ticks away now. We'll just wait here. Volume's starting to pick up. I like this push down. Looks like we're going to have a winning trade. So let's just be a little bit patient here. There it is. Target hit, 3.5 point trade. As you guys can see, the value of the bounce line to these targets, and how simple it is to place and execute a trade, and how simple it is to put the targets and bounce line on your charts. So come try it. Come try it free for a week and see if you guys see the value of it. As you can see, we just hit target, and now the market's starting to go the other direction. And you can get these targets before market even opens, and be able to hold on to the positions much longer than you would normally be able to. So just go to the subscribe page or sign up page, and sign up for a free week trial. Look forward to seeing you guys on the other side.